Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Do Not Disturb mode on VIVO Y21D. So first of all, we're gonna have to open settings on the smartphone and go to sound and vibration settings. Here, we're gonna have to find Do Not Disturb. Here it is. To enable this mode manually, just switch the toggle to the right. We can also enable it from the quick settings menu. If we go to the second page of the quick settings and tap right here. But in this menu we can also schedule it and adjust it to our needs. So for example, the calls, we can select start calls, which means that selected contacts, the favorite contacts basically can make calls to us, or we can allow all the contacts calling us by selecting this option, or we can select anyone if you don't want to restrict calls when you are in Do Not Disturb mode. The same for the messages and applications. So here we can add applications that can interrupt our Do Not Disturb or focus mode. And in alarms and others, we can also adjust the alarms that can be ringed during D&D session. And we can schedule our D&D either for sleeping or event. For the event, we're gonna have to select the event from the calendar, or we can add a custom schedule by tapping the add, and then we can either use bedtime or some specific time or an event. And we can adjust the duration for manual settings, so either until you turn off D&D, or for 1 hour, or ask every time. And we can also change the display options for filtered notifications, so whether we want to hear no sound from notifications, no visuals or sound, or we can customize the settings for the notifications. And as you can see, we have a bunch of different restrictions, customization settings. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.